SAP is a very popular software used by different organizations around the world to manage their material management module in the warehouse for creating LPO, procurement, and all that. Okay, so that's the function of the SAP software, and each material has a unique code which is very important in all these processes, like creating LPOs, uh, issuing out materials, and all that. Okay, so where this web application you're looking at comes in handy, since there are thousands of material and the storekeeper cannot at any time, uh, know every material code by heart. On the other hand, even if a printout is made, there are thousands of materials. The storekeeper cannot, scan through pages of printouts just to get a code of one material. So that's why I came up with this web application. Now, this web application is meant to make this process easy for the storekeeper to get material codes of every material in the warehouse. Okay, so the web application has a function to import all the materials as an Excel document, which is exported from SAP and imported into this web application. Okay, so here you can see some materials. I have a couple of thousands here, about 1,500 plus. Okay, at the moment you can also manually add materials, add a photo. Okay, you can add a photo, you can enter the material name, the material code, the location, which is the location within the warehouse. Okay, because the warehouse is organized alphabetically. Okay, so according to sections. Okay, you also have category, choose category the material belongs to, then more information like quantity per pack, which is also needed when issuing out materials. Okay, we have the brand name, if necessary, and unit of the material. If it's liquid, it will be in liters and all that. Okay, so we also have a search functionality. You can easily search for a material. Let's say I want to search for bentonite. I can type bentonite and every material with the name bentonite will show up. Okay, it also has the function of using a voice search, so I can speak into the microphone and say bentonite and it will also display the bentonite results. Then I also have a custom search feature. Okay, for maybe I want to see how a material looks like. I can say a split pin, for instance. If you want to see what a split pin looks like, I can search and use the image search. Okay, so you can see the image of a split pin. So this is the function of this custom Google search here. Okay, so with this application you can edit a material. Let's say for instance you want to add more information, you want to change the category, or the location or the material code. You can do that and update the material. Like I said earlier, we can import a material from an Excel file, which you can export. Maybe if you're using SAP or any other software in your organization, you can export the list of materials and import them into this web application. Okay, you can also export all the materials in this web application as PDF, CSV, or text. Okay, so you can, currently I'm logged in as an admin. You can also, other users can sign up. You can add other staff of your organization as users. Okay, so they'll be able to view all the materials, but they won't be able to add or remove any material. Okay, so it also has light mode, dark mode. It has the ability to, it has pagination. You can navigate through all the materials from page to page. Okay, you can also browse materials by categories. Okay, so this is a very handy application and it has saved us countless hours and a lot of stress in finding material codes when issuing out materials. Okay, because that's one of the things that the storekeeper does daily, issuing out materials to different departments who need the materials to carry out their duties. Okay, so if your organization needs something like this, or you need a specific application with specific function that you may need for your business or organization, you can contact me and I'll create one for you at an affordable price. This material was created using AI, okay, was coded with the help of AI, which makes it very faster and cheaper compared to when it is coded from scratch. So if you need something like this, you can contact me via the email in the this video description and I'll create one for you. We can also discuss about your needs. Okay, so that's that for this one. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next video showcase.